Paul Watson here for ProSound News TV, talking to Henning at the Riedel stand about Mediornet Compact. Henning, tell me a little bit about what Mediornet is.
Mediornet is a, we could say, super high bandwidth network system that is synchronous, and it can be used for video signals, professional format video like HD or even full HD, but in the same time it can transport audio or any control or intercom signal via the same fibers.
And this is 50 gigabits?
Our latest product has a network bandwidth of 50 gigabit, but our already established modular type of Mediornet frames even goes up to 80 gigabit.
Okay. And the Compact is more cost effective than what you had before, right?
Yes, so far we have concentrated on a high-endish platform, mainly used in broadcast applications. We have used it at the Soccer World Cup in South Africa. It has been used in Oslo for the European Song Contest, and it's going to be used in Düsseldorf this year as well. But we have now considered to bring this product range a little bit down in price and open it more to the event rental mobile markets.
So you can do that as well as installation then?
Okay, yes, of course we have huge requests from installations like stadia, congress center, churches, this type of installations.
So very flexible?
Yes, it's very flexible. In this box we have assembled a fixed collection of interfaces, but still the type of network connection in terms of which fiber format can be selected, and we have option slots for various video formats.
And it's fully compatible with any other Mediornet system?
Yes, it's fully compatible. It can be dropped into the network, even in very large networks with our classic Mediornet devices.
How long did it take to shrink to that size?
It took quite a while, but yes, we are relying on latest FPGA technology, and we are, I think we can say, experts in this field. So
these start around 8,000?
Yes, the smallest version of this compact range now is brought down to a list price of roughly 8,000 euros, which we find is a small sensation for a 50 gigabit network node, including all the interfaces you need for video, audio, MADI, intercom.
And there are 3 different versions, right?
There are 3 different versions.
The differences?
The difference is that in the number of interfaces, because still SDI slots cost quite some money. This is due to the reason that every Mediornet device always comes with the required processing for the signals. So we have de-embedders, embedders, frame synchronizers. It's all in there for every interface. So it requires quite some FPGA resources, and that's simply money in terms of cost. So by having less interfaces on the less expensive units, we can bring down the price.
And you see this going on lots more touring applications? We
have a huge request even from event companies, rental companies, because most productions nowadays, they somehow involve video in projection or cameras for recording, whatever. And today it's getting more and more complicated to cable this with regular cabling. And Mediornet is a platform where one fiber does the whole job in the end for the entire production.
And there's a broadcast element as well?
Sure. The starting point for Mediornet was the broadcast business, and we are still focusing on broadcast. So officially this is launched next Monday at NAB. Yeah. And yes, you could say it's primarily a broadcast product, but bringing it down to this format, we clearly open it to wider markets.
What about network for audio?
Well, Riedel Communications also offer dedicated audio networks, and that's called RockNet. And in this box, in this Mediornet network node, we have included an interface for RockNet. So we can directly connect RockNet audio devices here and use them as a sub-network dedicated to multi-channel audio. And because we already have interfaces to many consoles like Yamaha, Studer and Soundcraft, it can directly work together with these consoles in one network.
Right, I see.
That includes gain control, gain sharing, and independent gain controls for several consoles in one system.
Well, good luck with it.